How's it going, guys? Doing a basic field strip on the Tanfoglio Stock 3. As always, when you approach your gun for the first time, ensure she is clear and safe, which she is. To do the field strip, line up your two alignment dots, firm grip on the barrel, turn it over. Either use your thumb. I like to use the base of the magazine because she's plastic. Push out your slide lock, take off your slide from the body, take your guide rod or return spring out, and barrel out. And there she is. To reassemble, just opposite of what you just done. When putting the guide rod back in, make sure she's nicely square with that recess. Back together, couple of puncture tests, she's good to go.